in our kitchen, and we're just going to turn on the oven and fryer to make a Chinese meal. And this is how we're going to do it. So first of all, we get the box of switches.
Matches.
Oh, matches.
Yes.
Okay. And we light the blue touch paper and stand back. So we're back in a moment. Okay. So I've turned the fryer on and set it to maximum mark.
Maximum degree.
Maximum degrees, just to get things moving. Okay, so we got Gingy in the food preparation department.
I'm crying with the sibuyas.
Okay, and over here the fire's going well. So hygiene, not a problem. The fraise might be cooking on gas, but clearly we're not. But it's going well. We've got some hot water going to blanch the vegetables. We're going to put those in there in 1 second. Okay, vegetables are ready.
Yeah.
Okay, madam. Just let's put them in there. We've run short on burning materials, so we've gone to raid the local house, see if we can take it to bits to burn it to make the Chinese food. Gingy's just stealing the front door down there, as you can see. They won't mind, they just make another. Oh, it's not the door, it's the wood stack. Loads!
Huh?
There's loads!
Yeah. This one for road.
Huh?
This one for road.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Back to the kitchen. Okay, here we are. Oh, ready to go. Look at that fire. Amazing.
Also, like this.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm using like this.
Okay. And then we just feed it in as we need more heat. Just like turning the hob up or down as you need it. Okay. Got that? Okay. So we're not sure about temperatures here. And Kingy, can you just hold the camera for a sec? Okay, we're not sure about temperatures, so this might just burst into flames. But there is no fire brigade. No, it's good. Okay, that's hot. So we need the chicken. Okay, wait. Master Chef, tell you, Master Chef Philippine style. Okay, from the.
I will wash the chicken.
You don't need to wash the chicken. It's good. Look, the oil's going to burn in a sec, so we need to. Okay, it's good to go. It's good to go. Yeah. We're smoking. That's it. Okay. Everything in here. Okay. Cool. That is pretty hot. Normally I would just turn this down a touch because it's a little hot, you know, but we're going to suffer it being hot. So we're just looking to seal the chicken here. Okay, it's calmed down a bit now. Okay. Yeah, good. Amazing. What do you think, Gingy? It's amazing. You know,
Yes.
actually, it's not as hot as I thought it was going to be. And I think that's cooking pretty well. So next we'll need the onions, madam.
Wala man.
This
Okay.
It's running.
Yeah.
This isn't anywhere near as hot as I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be mentally hot because that chicken needs to be sealed, but it's not.
What?
What the? So we just get rid of a bit of this water.
Nanay kurente,
God's
ma.
sake.
Sa gingging, nanay kurente. Nana? Oh, nanay.
It's called Gas Mark 5.
So it's good to has rice in a big chicken already. So
Yeah, I think it's more than our chicken in here. Yeah. So, okay, so that is almost edible now.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we put the onions in because these onions have got to be browned.
Bobby.
the mushroom, we will slice the mushroom.
Yeah. These before we put anything else in this now. These onions have got to be brown. Okay. It's gonna be amazing, but we need to turn the fire up. How'd you turn the fire up more?
We will get the.
You got some petrol. Go and get some petrol out of that flaming. Okay. I've got some more wood.
You add more.
You want
I
more?
think that's how you make it hotter. Don't you? Add wood
Add,
to make it more flames.
Yeah.
More flames equals more heat.
but it makes so hot for you.
It doesn't matter about me. We just need it. That's it. Okay, so short commercial break and we'll be back. So a few little tips here. If you're cooking on this kind of contraption, the fire will go out, unlike on electric or gas, so you have to keep stoking the fire. And yeah, so here we are. The fire almost went out, yeah. So we like raw vegetables, they're full of vitamins, it's good. So that's it, yeah. And they're all delighted that it's failing, but it's not finished yet. Okay, so if you could smell this, believe me, we've got rid of most of the smoke. We'll turn the cooker up, and yeah, we're cooking well. My able-bodied assistants here now are quite bored. It must be good because the dogs come for a smell. What do you think, girls? Hi. I don't know. Okay, hold that, Rose. Let's just.
Profit kami ringgit nato lasa wala asin.
Right.
Why?
No, pretty good. Actually, maybe it even wants a bit more because there's a lot of it.
See half of that bottle.
And okay, so soon we're ready for the rice. And all the rice does is soaks up all the juices.
Wala man. Diin kuno. Naman kay kan sabo. Masami ang umur.
And then we're good to go. Simple. Okay, it's done. Turn the heat down and yeah, look. Everybody wants to eat. They can't wait. Yeah. So an Englishman can cook.
To taste it already.
Yeah, all want to taste it. Yeah. So dig in.